Alright, so I was out here doing oil change on old Sammy, and I saw that the airbag light, when I start the truck, that guy right there was staying on the whole time. Damn, look at that mileage. Woo! Anyways, staying on the whole time, so I pulled some coats and I got B0065 and B0066 as driver side tensioner. Now the tensioner is located right behind this third door right here. It's the tensioner for your seatbelt. In case you didn't know, your seatbelts are actually hooked up to your airbags. So the wiring for this goes right through this wire loom right here, and every time you open and close this, it kinks right here pretty much. So what I'm thinking is the wires in here is split. Now I fixed the wires in here before for the door speaker because they were split, so I'm thinking the wires for this tensioner right here probably split as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a look real quick. Now you're gonna need a flathead to get this boot out of here. Looks like a couple of repairs in here. Look at this. What do we got here? Let's see if I can pull this thing out. Alright, so this is for the speakers. That's actually a repair right there. And this is your connector. This right here is yellow one. It's your connector for your tensioner, your seatbelt tensioner. So you can see the wires are split. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this completely. And see if I can fish those wires out of there and splice them together. Always disconnect your battery if you're gonna be working on wires. Alright, now if you got the same problem but you don't have an extended cab, check your fuses first. Alright, fuse box right here next to the battery. Now this is a 2004, so it might be different if you have a different year vehicle. Now over here, now you can read all these, and for airbag it says is number 17. It says SIR. Let's see if I can get this to focus. Alright, so SIR right there, which stands for Supplemental Inflatable Restraint. So look at the diagram, 17 right there, which is this one right there. So you pull that out and check it. And it's good. Oh yeah, there it is. It's good to go. It's not split. Alright, so trying to fish this wires through here, it's gonna be pretty much impossible. So I'm just gonna cut this wire loom right here. This boot, just gonna cut it right there and get it out that way. Alright, so if you haven't been here before, you could probably get away without ripping this off, but I got so many repairs in here that it's just getting too fat in there, so I cut it out. I'll fix that later. But after taking that out, you can see all these other wires are starting to, the insulation is starting to split. so good thing I came in here again. Probably put some tape on that. Now I'm gonna be using these connectors. They're freaking awesome. They're like solder and shrink wrap and one. You know what I mean? So you got solder in there, you heat it up, that melts and joins the two connections together, and the rest of it is like a shrink wrap. So I love these things, they're amazing. All right, all done, nice and solid. I'm just gonna take these, tape everything, and put it back together. Pretty much done, and then we'll see if the light's still on or not. All right, so I taped the crap out of it. I just plugged it in real quick. I just want to see if it works. All right, buddy, you ready? Let's see. Did you fix it? Let's see. Where's the keys? What should I do with the keys? All right. Can't find the hole. Oh, yep, went away. It's good to go. It was blinking and then it went away. So that's good. Let me just double check. Should just be the ABS light on. Yep, it's good to go. That was it. Hey buddy, you fixed it. Good job, bud. Thumbs up. Look at that. Almost like nothing ever happened. Good as used. Alright, I hope this helps at least one person out there. Y'all stay safe now. Cheers.